Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to extrude text in Blender. After starting Blender, firstly we can add text. Go to Add Text. We can add the text. Now close up the view. If we want to change the words, we can select the text and go to Edit Mode. And I delete the text, and then we can type. For example, I type extrude. After typing, we can go back to Object Mode, and then we can go to Object Data Properties and go to Geometry, and we can find Extrude here and increase the value so we can extrude it. Furthermore, we can have the more option. For example, we can use bevel to increase the run around the edges. So I increase the depth. So we can find that the edges is round. And also we can change the offset to make it thin, or we can make it thick. So this is the basic steps to extrude text in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.